currently day 17. It is cold and rainy here, so we won't be doing anything outside today, but we are gonna get school finished up, and then I need to clean a little bit, get some laundry done, a lot of towels to do. So far that's the plan. I need to also eat something. I just don't know what sounds good. So I'm gonna figure that out, and yeah, I'll pop back on here in a little while. I also need to stop by my old work because I saw a coworker that I used to work with last night at QT, and she told me that they had been trying to get a hold of me because I have something I need to pick up there, and I was like, huh, that's really weird. So yeah, I need to stop by there at some point today. But I don't know, hopefully we can do something fun. So I'll be back in a little while. Well, I feel so much better. I got my shower, did my hair. Now I am waiting for my fiance to get back home so we can run to my old work and then probably get QT and then come back and start to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. I know he wants me to make spinach artichoke dip tonight. I found a really good recipe for it, so I will try to put that in the description in case anybody wants to try it. But I need to go help Alden really quick and see if he is almost home. So I will come back on here in a little while. Well, as you can see, my hair being down did not last long. I've realized, as much as I always want my hair long again after cutting it, when it is long, I never wear it down for long because it gets in the way. So I think I just need to get it cut maybe just below my shoulders. So I've been thinking about getting my hair cut, even though I love it the length that it is, but just took my scrunchie, threw it up. We just did dinner. I was gonna make the spinach artichoke dip, but I forgot. I only bought 1 pack of shredded cheese the other night, and I needed it for the pasta con broccoli, so don't have the Parmesan cheese for that. So I'll have to make that tomorrow. So I just made some hamburgers and french fries. It's okay. I prefer getting hamburgers from a restaurant personally because I hate making them. It's not hard. I just hate it. So I'm getting tired. I still need to do a bunch of towels. If I don't do it tonight, I'll have to do it tomorrow. But I want to get it done. And Alden is eating dinner, and then I need to get him in and out of the shower and then go from there. I think it's only about 5 o'clock right now, but feels like it's been a very long day. But it was kind of nice running to my old work because I got to see one of my old coworkers. Not the one I ran into last night because she was on the phone, but I got to see this other lady that I used to work with, and she was so sweet. I miss her. She was like, "Do you have any other kids?" I was like, "Just the one." But yeah, I haven't actually seen them since I worked there 6 years ago. So yeah, that was nice. But yeah, my arm is getting tired. I'm going to figure out what else Alden wants to eat, and we'll go from there. I do need to do some cleaning, so maybe I'll do that with you guys a little bit later, and I will be back. Hi guys. So I'm getting a little bit later of a start today because I can. We didn't have school. We won't have school for a little while now, so that's exciting. And my fiance was here this morning, so I took my time. But might be a little obvious the way this eye looks. I started itching again when I woke up. Last night I got something in this eye. I couldn't see what it was for the life of me. It felt like an eyelash or like a little piece of a leaf or something. I know that sounds weird, but that's just like what it felt like. I couldn't find anything at all, and I could barely keep this eye open. every time I would try to open it, I just like, you know, I had to try to keep it closed. So I didn't finish Vlogmas last night because I was dealing with my eye situation and I just wanted to lay and keep my eyes closed and hope that whatever was in my eye would just make its way out, which it did, but now my eyes are kind of itchy. So, needless to say, I'm going to take some allergy meds to combat all of this, and of course my nose. But I am about to make some spinach artichoke dip since I couldn't make it yesterday. And yeah, hopefully my eyes will be okay today. It's mainly this one because whatever got in my eye got in this eye, but having so many issues with my right eye. Don't ask me why. I don't understand. But it's another like cold, rainy day today, so no chance of being able to go outside. So we're gonna try and have some fun inside. But I'm gonna go get everything that I need out for the spinach dip. I forgot to show you before I started making the dip, but you just need 1/3 cup of mayo. I have Miracle Whip because I don't like actual mayonnaise. It works just fine. An 1/8 ounce of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 to 2 packages of Parmesan cheese. I only had 1. I like to have a second just because I like a lot of cheese, and I also like to top the dip before putting it in the oven with more cheese. A can of drained artichokes, and then also an 8 ounce pack of frozen chopped spinach, and an 8 ounce of cream cheese. This is just super short, uneventful, not fun Vlogmas, so I'm sorry. My eye is so much better today. Thank God. I thought it was before, and then something got in it last night, so I had all of that nonsense, but once I took my allergy meds earlier today, the itching went away and just the irritated feeling from having something in my eye went away. So I am done with everything though. It's really late. It's after 1 a.m. I didn't want to be up this late. So I think I'm just gonna call it a night, and I will definitely vlog tomorrow. Hopefully I can get a lot more done and a lot more to show you guys, so it's a little more entertaining. But I want to go to sleep so I can still get up early and get a bunch more done. So I will definitely take you guys along. Don't worry. All of my fun adventures. But yeah, I definitely want to get some things made tomorrow. I would like to do Oreo balls. I even want to make some air fryer Oreos as well. Which reminds me, I should have looked for crescent rolls at Target earlier, but I do have biscuits, so I can use that. Um, but I want to do those two things with Oreos, and then Alden keeps wanting to make the gingerbread cookies, so maybe we'll do that as well. So stay tuned. I will make sure we do something fun tomorrow to vlog about, to get done, to not be super boring, and to be more Christmassy. So, anyways, I'm so sorry for this horribly boring Vlogmas for both days that will be included, yesterday and today. But I will leave the description down below for how to make that spinach and artichoke dip. It's so easy and it is really, really good. I would just actually add more cheese. So I did the whole package of Parmesan cheese, but the last couple of times I made it, I also added in a little bit of mozzarella into the mix, and then I topped it with mozzarella and then baked it. But I only had the one package of cheese, so. But it was still good. So, yes, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.